Cosmic Desktop Environment 1.1, a solid step forward from System 76. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the latest update from System 76, which is the release of Cosmic Epoch 1.1. If you are into modern, Rust-powered Linux desktops, this is an exciting incremental release that brings practical new tools and polish to an already promising environment. First, let's start with the quick background on Cosmic Desktop Environment. For those new to it, Cosmic is System 76 ambitious from the ground up desktop environment, built primarily in Rust. It powers the latest PipeWire releases and is available on other distributions too. The goal is highly customizable, performant, and modern Wayland-based experience, with a focus on usability and future-proof design. After the major 1.0 launch, System 76 is now adapting a faster release cadence, with minor versions like this one, to deliver features and fixes more regularly. Now, about the star of the show, which is Cosmic Monitor. One of the biggest additions in 1.1 is Cosmic Monitor, a native drop-in replacement for GNOME System Monitor. It's built with the same ICE toolkit as the rest of the Cosmic apps, so it fits seamlessly into the desktop's look and feel. On PopOS, this will soon replace the older GNOME tool in the repositories. It's great to see System 76 filling in these essential system utilities with first-party integrated software. Now, about the key improvements across the desktop. This release packs in a ton of the thoughtful enhancements. First is the compositor and Wayland. Support for the pointer WAP-v1 protocol gives the Cosmic compositor a direct cursor WAP primitive. There are also tiling exceptions, the ability to name pinned workspaces, better performance, preventing gradual slowdown in long sessions, and numerous stability fixes. Number 2. File management. Cosmic Files now supports page up and page down navigation, a small but welcome quality of life win. Meme type handling has been improved, and there are new sort icons. Number 3. Cosmic and wallpapers. Recursive scanning for custom wallpaper directories means your organized folders of backgrounds will now be fully supported without extra hassle. Number 4. Panel and scaling. The Cosmic panel now expands properly into the edge with fractional scaling, fixing a common pain point for users with high DPI or mixed setups. Number 5. Text editing and memes. Cosmic Edit adds support for the application/x zero size meme type, making it easier to open truly empty files without extensions. Cosmic Settings mirrors this for default app associations. Number 6. Audio and applets. Varlink API integration in Cosmic, Settings-daemon, and applets improve PipeWire audio handling. Cosmic OSD also benefits from these changes. Number 7. Other polish. More meme type icons, screencast dialog improvements, OpenVPN import fixes, and plenty of bug fixes across components like the compositor, panel, terminal, and settings-daemon. Translation updates round things out nicely. So, why this release matters? While not a massive overhaul, 1.1 shows System 76 commitment to steady, reliable progress. By bumping minor versions more frequently, they can ship features and patches without waiting for a full major release. It's exactly the kind of mature development rhythm users appreciate. Looking ahead, the team is hard at work on Cosmic 2.0, which teases hot reloading, widget animations, and that highly anticipated frosted effect for a more premium visual polish. Now, how to get Cosmic 1.1? If you're already running Cosmic on PopOS or another supported distro, check your package manager or stable repositories for the update. You can also explore the full details in the official release notes on the popos/cosmic-epic GitHub repository. Now, final thoughts. Cosmic continues to mature nicely. It's not just about flashy new features. It's about making the everyday experience smoother, more stable, and more integrated. Whether you are a daily driver on PopOS or just experimental with alternative desktops, 1.1 feels like a release that makes the environment more complete and reliable. So, what do you think? Are you running Cosmic already? Drop your thoughts in the comments, especially if you have tried the new Monitor app. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Linux desktop updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.